Hi everyone, I'm Ella and welcome to my channel. So in this channel, I'll be sharing with you different types of content like vlogs, tutorials, Q&A, self-improvement videos, product reviews, and anything educational na related sa mga topic about work, life, business, finance, self-care, self-love, and anything that will contribute to our growth, success, satisfaction, and happiness. Nag-i-invite din ako ng mga guests, so mas masaya to for sure and mas marami tayong matututunan. So, I hope you'll support me sa journey kong ito at sama-sama tayong mag-grow mentally, emotionally, socially, financially, and spiritually. Kaya guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable all the notifications para lagi kang updated every time na may bago akong video. Ayun lang guys, and see you in my next video.